Remember the legendary Lamborghini Gallardo? A supercar poster you'll find in every girl's and boy's bedroom out there. The Italian masterpiece Lamborghini Huracán LP610-4, a roaring, crackling love letter to speed, soul and sensation. Beneath its razor-edged skin lies a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine, heart beating up to 8,500 RPM. This car is complete gyno-based, computer-controlled, four-wheel drive. This red beauty produces 560 Nm of torque and 610 horsepower, and the only Lamborghini to get a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Coming to the inside of the car, we have the interior inspired from a fighter jet, and I kid you not, this car is no less than a fighter jet. We have the flip-up ignition switch, the toggle switches, and the digital cluster right in front of us with these 7-speed DCT pedal shifters. This bull gets 3 driving modes, that is Stada, Sport and Corsa. This car literally gets a fighter jet lever for its reverse. This Lamborghini Huracán comes at Big Boy Toyz with a carbon fiber bonnet, a massive carbon fiber rear wing, carbon ceramic brakes with golden alloys and a full body PPF. To make this beauty yours, you know whom to contact, Big Boy Toyz.